In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Super Smash Bros. Brawl on the Nintendo Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, the version available for Switch for Super Smash Bros. Is the Ultimate one, which is the latest one that has the biggest amount of characters, content, maps, etc. Some people might be wondering if it is possible to play the Brawl version of Smash on the Nintendo Switch instead. Brawl was originally released for the Nintendo Wii, and like I said, users want to play it on their Switch. It would make the process very convenient. So if you go into the Nintendo eShop through your console or to the website as I'm going to be demonstrating here, you will be able to use the search function to look for all Smash games available in the platform. If you look for Smash and you go into games, you can use the filters at the left, and you will notice that the only platform available is going to be Nintendo Switch. Here you can see Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on the top of the results and other bundles. However, like I said previously, Super Smash Bros. Brawl is not anywhere to be seen. So as of today, is it possible to play Smash Bros. Brawl on the Nintendo Switch either through the eShop or a physical copy? Sadly, as it stands today and as you might expect, Brothers Brawl is not available for the Nintendo Switch. Unfortunately, the only option that you have to play on your Switch is Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, that obviously you can find on the eShop inside of the console or the website here. You will be able to buy a digital or physical copy and start playing right away. If you really want to play Brawl, you have to go back to the Wii. There hasn't been any parts of that game, and unfortunately, unless Nintendo addresses this in the future with maybe a legacy collection, for example, it seems like it is going to stay that way. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that through official means, it is impossible to play Super Smash Bros. Brawl on the Nintendo Switch. You will have to play Ultimate on the Switch instead, because there is no official port made by Nintendo for Super Smash Bros. Brawl. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had about how to play Smash Brawl on the Switch. If this video cleared them up, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.